Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a super easy install for you, which is some Vivid Lumen lights for my map lights and my license plate lights out back. As you know, the OEM lights, they are very dull, yellow in color, just don't look the best. So I will be upgrading to these guys here. These are the 194 bulbs. They're white in color and it'll just give it a whole new look, brighten it up nice in here. And yeah, so that is basically it. So let's get to the install. All right, so what you want to do first is grab yourself a pry tool. This is what I got here. It has a nice wide base on it to be able to grab enough of the cover to pull it out. So what you want to do is you want to just shove it right in the corner there and then push it in. Just hold on to this side here and just pop it on out. That's simple. And then just go ahead and do that to the other side. Push it right in there and pop it on out. All right, so next you want to go ahead and remove the bulb. This part will be the trickiest part as you can't really reach your fingers in there to pull it out. So what you want to do is grab yourself some tape and then get a little section off of it. And then you can go ahead and wrap it around the bulb and then you can pull it right on out. All right, so once you kind of got it wrapped around there, just go ahead and pull on the tape and it'll pull the bulb right out with it there. And then you can go ahead and do the same on the other side. And there we go. All right, and now for the easy part is putting the new bulb in. So all you gotta do is push it into that slot and then make sure it works, which it does, and then go to the opposite side and do the same thing. And then obviously once the bulbs are installed, you can go ahead and put your covers back on. The side with the biggest tab, you want to put that in first, and then just push on the inner corner, and there you go. That's simple, and now you got some nice looking white lights. Here is a before and after shot for you so you can tell the difference in how bright the new lights really are. All right, so the first thing you want to do is remove these two screws. And then once you remove those, you may have to tap the cover out, or sometimes it'll just pop out. And take the cover off. And all you'll actually want to do here is just pull it out. There's enough room in there to fit your fingers in. So once that is pulled out, you can then go ahead and install your new bulb, just like that. And then you can put it all back together, but let me just install the other one next. And then I will test to see if I need to flip the bulbs around or not. So as you can see, they're both working there. And then you can just go ahead and put the covers back on. Also, a quick side note before you put the covers back on is just to make sure you give them a good clean. And here is a quick look of the license plate lights and how bright they are at nighttime. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. It is a very straightforward, easy install. Just pop the covers off, replace the bulb, throw it all back together, and that is that. But yeah, obviously it's a nice bright white light now. No more dull OEM yellow light. But yeah, super happy with them. Like I said, the install is super simple. So if you guys are looking for bulbs like this, I'll put a link in the description down below for them. But yeah, that is basically it. If it was helpful for you, or if you just enjoyed watching the video, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And also please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me out a lot. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and we'll catch you on the next one.